We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are looking for patterns on GBP, USD. Find a time frame to be on. Let's take a look at this weekly time frame. Let's start with this area here. So we're going to start somewhere here. And we're going to take it all the way across as far as we can go. So let's identify what's going on in the market. We're looking for highs, lows, and mids. Clearly, price action highs came all the way up to this area here. And we have a low point that came to this area here. And we have a midpoint, say, gauge the top to the bottom, drop it right in that mid as best you can. Okay, so let's work at the bottom of this area, see what's going on in the market. So this market came not exactly down to a low, but close to a low. So you know it's this the lowest area of this current overall structure that we see in front of us. So what happened at that area? At that area of support, that market pushed down once, came back up, came down twice, came back up, pushed down third time, came back up. So this pattern right here is the triple bottom. Okay, so market pushed spike down 3 times, wasn't able to break. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, came back to retest, and the market shot up. Okay, we did have a triple bottom at that low. Let's take a look at what happened at the top. So the market came to the midpoint. It wasn't able to break all the way out to that high. So the pattern formed at that midpoint that pushed that market down. What pattern is that? It looks more like you can look at this as an overall. You can break it down in pieces. So if I did it overall, it will be first leg, second leg, connect all these together, third leg, let that fourth leg drop. Retest probably happened a lower time frame somewhere here. Okay, so if I wanted to break it down in more detail, I would look at it as what? First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market dropped down. Market pushed up how many times? Once, twice, 3 times. Okay, so we got a triple top again, or a double top, if you want to count these overall, and market pushed back down to that low. So right now it's called a triple top, and market pushed down how many times? Once, twice, 3 times, 4. Overall cap, market pushed down 4 times. That's market should be turning around into another direction, but if it doesn't, that means that market consolidated and pushed up or pushed down. As we can clearly see, we're not going to grab this. We got this area as resistance. If you grab this area as support, we see that market trying to bounce up and down in that area, big huge area of consolidation, or the market broke down. Okay, so the market consolidated in this area here until we got to this area here. So this area here is what pushed that market down, and we've been seeing that same pattern, and this is for the third time. We see a triple top, or you want to call it a double top and a retest. We have first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market drop down. So if you look at it as a whole, we do have that triple top, and that market pushed down, retested the previous areas here, that market sold. Okay, how many times the market pushed down? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. The market exhausts itself again, so we already know that market's going to either turn around and go up the opposite direction, or it's going to consolidate and go up. Consolidate and go down. But we can see that clearly that the market consolidated and went up. There's also a pattern in this area of this low that we created near that midpoint right here. And what pattern is that? Incline W. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, retest, market pushed up 4, retest. Overall cap, market exhausted itself again with another 4 pushes from the bottom. So that market should be consolidating. You should be able to see another pattern that dropped that market down. Let's go back a little bit. So when we did that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest 1, that market, you can clearly see that it broke out of our resistance area, came back down, wasn't a complete touch, and that market came back up. Okay, so it did do that break and retest, market came back up. Okay, if we're going down a lower time frame, in this area here, you'll probably find the break and retest, maybe on a daily, if not 4 hour. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Understand patterns in the market, and in our structure we was looking at with GBP, USD on the weekly time frame. We did find a full of triple bottoms and triple tops all over that market from the low to the midpoint. Very important information, guys. Please review, breakout, retest strategy. It's very important to understand when the market is at a resistance or a support, what is going to happen when the market breaks that resistance or support. Very important information, guys. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Running the Levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. GBP, USD.